Good morning, guys. I just woke up like half an hour ago, and I'm gonna get ready. We're not doing like anything today, but yeah. Let's go potty. Bye, Bubbas. We'll be back. You want to feed him? Come here. Come here. Here. Put it. Look. Yummy. Oh, it's right here. Here you go. Here. Sit. Oh! He needs a bath.
Yes.
No, he needs a bath. You want to feed him? Okay, we gotta let Oscar have some. Actually, you can have the whole thing. I have a lot. Back to it. Yeah. Yummy. Whatever you want for Oscar. Go ahead. Pick one.
I want that one.
That one? Hi guys. So, it's been a little while since I last vlogged. Well, other than that little clip of Evelyn feeding Diesel. But we went and dropped off a TV at my uncle's house and got my cousin Evelyn, my little cousin, and we got coffee. And then we went to Walmart for a few things, and now we're here. Say hi. Say hi. Say I go to the vet this week. Jump. Are you ready?
Let her eat grass.
No, that's hay. I'm just gonna sit here for a minute, okay?
Okay. 1, 2. Don't go out. Fine.
I'm cold, I can go. So it's a while later since I last filmed, but I'm about to have a snack, and I did my nails. They're actually super long. Usually they're like that short, where you can like barely see the nail. But I always chew them off. So I was like, I'm not going to do all that work and spend all that time if I'm going to take it off in like 2 days. But I just tried one of these because my mom and dad wanted to try them. And they're the kind frozen dark chocolate almond sea salt. They're actually super good. Hi guys, so I never finished this video, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.